That's a great question. So you go into your settings and you put in guided access. It's an accessibility feature, and you have various options. The way that I have it is it's got a passcode to lock it and unlock it 3 times. There we go. And then that tells it that it's doing the whole page. Top button is the only thing that it'll register. It won't register any touch or any motion or anything like that. Go resume. Now you can't do anything. And then you triple. And you tell it to end. End. Just like that.